Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Safe, and today I'm gonna walk you through how you can make money simply by watching videos on YouTube. I will be using multiple platforms in this tutorial, so make sure to stay focused and watch it to the end. And now let's get started. So our main aim here in this tutorial is to just find a viral video on YouTube. Then we will extract its thumbnail and its link. Then we will post them both in a way that will allow us to gain or earn money per click on this video. So I will use multiple platforms, as I said, which are shrinkme.io, vidIQ, YouTube itself, YouTube thumbnail image, Canva, and Pinterest. So now let's head to vidIQ, which is our first step, and let's add or download its extension. And once you do this step, you can head to YouTube, where you will find this icon here. In this icon, I will go and click on here, then I will choose most viewed. And now I will pick something which is actually having like high views per hour. So I will just head down to find something with a catchy thumbnail. Let's just choose this one, A Wonderful Day with Harry. Or let's just pick this video instead. And now I will just stop it. I will copy the link here. And I'm done with YouTube now. So now I will head to thumbnail.
ما فيهاش حاجة. تمام. لا والله.
Just stop this video and let's go to YouTube thumbnail grabber, where I will just paste my own link and press on get thumbnail images. And here is the thumbnail image extracted successfully. I will go and press on download is the thumbnail image. And perfect, it has been downloaded. Now the next step is that I'm gonna head to Canva, where I will press on create design, and I will choose custom size, where I will choose the width as 1080, and I will choose the height as 1920. Now I will create new design. Perfect. Now I'm gonna press on upload, and I'm gonna choose to upload files from my own PC, and I will choose the thumbnail I have just downloaded, and I will wait for a couple of seconds. Now let's grab it here, and let's resize it to be a bit bigger than the Canva here. And once it's in the center, I can go and fill these two spaces by two boxes from elements. Then I will choose shapes. I will choose this box. I will resize it to fill these two sections. Then I can also choose its color from here. I may choose it to be like the color. I will go to add a new color here, and I'm gonna pick the color in this flag, or maybe in this sign. No, I think it was better in the start, so I will just keep it as it was, and I will resize it again. Then I'm gonna duplicate it. Here and there, and I might even just cover this black sign here like that. Then I'm gonna go and add a text here, like watch this amazing. I will just capitalize this amazing football match. And I'm gonna bold it and make it bigger, like 20. maybe 55. Yeah, just like that. And I'm gonna do, or maybe bigger. Yeah, just like that. And I'm gonna go and copy it and paste it here again. So basically you can just design it the way you want. It's up to you, but try to make it catchy as much as you can, because this will represent your own poster, and it will be the poster which actually attracts people to visit your own link. And once you are done, you can also add some effects, like making this text, for example, white. And let's add some effects. Or let's just leave it as it is, so as not to waste time. So here you can save your own post. And you can do as much effects as you want. You can edit on it the way you want, so as to make it attractive. And once, let's just skip this. And once you are done, you can just go and press on share. Then you can click on download and click on download once more, and your poster will be already. Now you have created your own poster. So we will go to Pinterest and we will create new. Then I will upload the image I have just uploaded. I have just downloaded here, and I will add a title like the same in the poster. Great. Now I can add the description, or I can just leave it. And here we will go to the most important step, which is the link that you are going to use. Here I will go again to the football match. I will copy the link. Then I will go to Shrink Me. Actually, Shrink Me have like this payout rate that you can give a quick look on before starting. Here it gives you $1 sign-up bonus, and the minimum payout or cash out is $5. Here you can see the earnings. So per 1,000 views, you can get up to $22. And if you are not from these countries listed here, you are in the worldwide deal, or all countries, which is $3.5 per 1,000 views. Now we can go to dashboard, and we can go to manage links. No, I think it's from new shortened link here. Yeah, exactly. So I will just paste the link here, and I will choose my alias to be relevant to the topic, which is amazing football match. And I will click on shorten. And here is my new link. So I will copy this link, and I will go to Pinterest, and I will click on here, and I will paste it. So basically, by clicking on this poster, anyone who will click on it, he will be redirected to this link, which in turn will redirect it to the YouTube link. However, I'm gonna get money for every 1,000 clicks on this link or on this poster, where 1,000 clicks will give me up to $22. So now I'm gonna go and publish here, where it will be all ready to go, and the more clicks I've got, the more money I earn. And this is how easy you can make money just by watching videos on YouTube by other people, and just by posting a link onto your own social media. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.